Next topic is importing data from other applications. So in PowerPoint we can import or add the data from other applications in our presentation. It means we can add the data in our presentation which does not belong to PowerPoint. So we can add or import the data from applications like MS Word, MS Excel and MS Access. So display the slide in which you want to import the data. Click on Insert tab. Click on Object. The Insert Object dialog box will appear on the screen. Click on Create from File option if you want to import an application with its data. And then you can also choose Create New option if you want to import empty application. So click on Browse option. Browse dialog box will appear on the screen. Select the location that contains the file you want to import. Click on File. Click on OK button. It will add or insert the path or location of the file into the Create from File box. Click on OK button. So MS Word document file will be imported in our presentation. Last topic is rehearse a slideshow. So we can set the timing for each slide that exactly tells how long a particular slide will be displayed during a slideshow. So there are many benefits of rehearsing a slideshow because it automatically advance or move the slides. Click on Slide Sorter button. It will display thumbnail version of all the slides in our presentation. Click on Slideshow tab. Click on Rehearse Timing button. Then wait for the time the slide is being displayed. If you want to pause the rehearsal, you can click on Pause button. And you can also restart the timing. Then click on Next button. So by repeating these two steps, you can set the timing for each slide. So after that, a dialog box will appear. It will display total time for the slideshow to complete. Click on Yes option. So PowerPoint will save the timing. So during a slideshow or presentation, every slide will appear according to the timing. So you can see the timing you set below each slide.